In front of me is NOKIA C01 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and use voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now you need to type in voice recorder and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now click on Accept in the pop-up, and if you can see it, wait a bit, then tap on Accept. Now click on this red button, select Allow, and this way start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording, click on this pin on the left, type in wherever you wish to or not at all and hit OK. If you wish to delete it right away, pause it. Select the discard on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to end it and save it though, click on checkmark on the right. Then hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it, you need to tap on those three dots, hit rename option, and type in wherever you wish to. Then to save your recording's new name, hit OK. Lastly, to get rid of your recording completely, you can hold it, tap on bin icon at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!